Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Logstash with Elasticsearch for pipeline setup, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that you have Java installed on your system. Logstash requires Java to run smoothly. You can verify Java installation by using the command Java version in your terminal. If Java is not installed, download it from the official Oracle website or adopt OpenJDK. Next, download the Logstash package from the official Elastic website. Choose the package appropriate for your operating system. Once downloaded, navigate to the directory containing the Logstash installer. For Linux users, extract the package using the command tar-xzf logstash-x.y.z.tar.gz, replacing xyz. For Windows users, simply extract the downloaded zip file. Next, navigate into the extracted Logstash directory. Before configuring Logstash, ensure Elasticsearch is installed and running. Download Elasticsearch from the official Elastic website if it's not already installed. After installation, start Elasticsearch using the command /bin/Elasticsearch on Unix-based systems. For Windows, navigate to the bin directory and run elasticsearch.bat. Once Elasticsearch is up and running, we can configure Logstash. Create a new configuration file in the Logstash directory. You can name it pipeline.conf or any descriptive name you prefer. Open the configuration file in a text editor. Begin by defining the input plugin in the file. For example, if you are reading from a file, use the following lines: input file path equals /path/ to /your/input file.log start _position equals beginning. For instance, to parse JSON data, you would add filter JSON source equals message. Finally, define the output plugin to send data to Elastic. The output section should look like this: output Elasticsearch hosts equals http://localhost 9200. Open your terminal or command prompt and navigate back to the Logstash directory. Use the following command to start Logstash with your configuration file: bin/logstashf pipeline.conf. You should see Logstash starting up. Monitor the terminal for any errors or warnings during startup. If everything is set up correctly, your data should now flow into Elasticsearch. You can check the Elasticsearch index you specify to verify the data has been ingested. This setup enables you to build a basic Logstash pipeline integrated with Elasticsearch. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.